Well, now to the latest on the pandemic. The Biden administration is banking on improving access as a way of ensuring 70% of the country is vaccinated by July 4th. Right now, 45% of Americans have received at least one dose, and just about 1/3 of the nation has been fully vaccinated. But the number of Americans getting vaccinated is dropping off. Two upcoming decisions from the Food and Drug Administration could provide a possible turnaround and give the nation a much-needed shot in the arm. Michael George is at a vaccination site here in New York with more on this. Good morning.
Michelle, good morning. Vaccination rates could soon get a boost. As early as next week, the FDA is expected to approve the Pfizer vaccine for teens 12 to 15 years old. And research is underway to determine if the vaccine is safe for even younger children.
16-month-old Nathan is already vaccinated, part of a study at Texas Children's Hospital, where his mother is a pediatric surgeon.
So having understood the data and the science and the risks involved, we felt that the benefits far outweighed the risks. And so that was why the decision was clearer for me.
His shot was 1/10 of an adult dose.
By the end of the day, he was having a dance party with his brother, so everything was fine.
Big brother Charlie is enrolled in a study for his age group.
My youngest son, 16, is now just recently fully vaccinated.
Dr. Rochelle Walensky is the director of the Centers for Disease Control.
And I rest easy knowing my family will be safe. And that is simply the best Mother's Day gift I could get this year.
But not every child's mother may be eager to celebrate. Less than 1/3 of parents say they'd get their children vaccinated, according to a recent Kaiser Family Foundation's COVID vaccination monitor. Among vaccine-eligible adults, 44% have not been vaccinated. But the Open Door mission in Omaha is working patiently to change that.
There's been a lot of trepidation, a lot of hesitation, a lot of miscommunication on the vaccination, and so we just try to provide the actual education and so that our guests and consumers can make the right choice.
The mission offers transportation too, and this week saw a huge turnout, joining sites that have for months helped vaccinate more than 100 million with results.
We've definitely turned the corner in the potential to have a national surge of cases. The levels of vaccination we have will protect us from that kind of an event. But we still have a ways to go to make sure that we don't have more state by state or even regional challenges.
Businesses, some on the verge of going out of business, are back as the country saw new daily cases fall to a 7-month low this week.
People come and say, thank God you are open. I said, no, thank God you are here.
And San Francisco moved to the yellow tier with the highest in the nation vaccination rate. 74% of San Francisco eligible residents have been vaccinated, moving closer to the race for herd immunity.
And on Friday, Pfizer asked the FDA for full approval of its vaccine. Right now, it just has emergency approval. If the FDA agrees, it could make it easier for employers to require their workers to be vaccinated. Dana?
Be interesting to follow that. Michael, thank you.